In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make deposits in QuickBooks step by step. QuickBooks is an excellent tool for managing your finances, and knowing how to make deposits is crucial for keeping your books accurate and up to date. Let's dive right in. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on your main QuickBooks dashboard, which is where all the magic really happens. Here, you'll see an overview of your financial status and the various tasks you can perform. From this hub, your goal is to locate the New button. Usually, you can spot this button at the top left of your screen. It's your gateway to the various features that QuickBooks offers. Go ahead and click on that button. This action will bring up a drop-down menu with a variety of options. Among these, you should look for the option labeled Bank Deposit. Clicking on this will redirect you to a new page specifically designed for organizing your deposits. Once you reach the bank deposit page, one of your initial tasks is to select the correct bank account for these transactions. This step is particularly important if you have multiple accounts because selecting the right one ensures precise financial tracking. If you haven't linked your bank accounts yet, there's no need to worry. You'll likely see a prompt or an option on the page that allows you to link them right there. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, and once your accounts are linked, they'll appear in the drop-down menu for easy selection. With your bank account successfully selected, it's then time to add the payments you'd like to include in this deposit. Typically, QuickBooks will show you a list of transactions that are ready for deposit. Carefully review them and tick the boxes for any payments you want to group together in this deposit. This practice helps keep your transactions tidy and organized. Next, you'll notice an option to add any additional funds to the deposit. Where these funds should be added largely depends on the nature of your transactions, so make sure to choose the right category or customer account to accurately reflect these funds. Once you've compiled everything neatly, you're almost done. Look for the option at the bottom that reads Save and New. Clicking this will save your current work and prepare QuickBooks for any new entries you might want to process. Always remember, consistency is key. By consistently using the Save and New function, you ensure that no data is lost or left untracked. To wrap things up, head back to the main page of QuickBooks to continue with other tasks, or to simply review the recent entry you've made. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've effectively made a deposit in QuickBooks, thereby strengthening your financial record-keeping. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep your books balanced and your business booming.